Today, I'm going to share a truth with you that could change the entire direction of your life. You've probably heard the saying, hard work pays off. But today I will tell you, hard work alone is not enough. Not without the mind behind it. Since childhood, we've all been taught, wake up early, work hard, sweat all day, and one day you'll become rich. But is that really what happens? If that were true, then the rickshaw puller would be the richest man. The one carrying heavy sacks all day would be a millionaire. Daily laborers would be living in mansions, but they aren't. And on the other hand, there are people who work only 4 hours a day, who never sweat, and yet they fly in private jets. Why? Because money comes not from hard work, but from smart work. No matter how hard you work, if you're not thinking in the right direction, if you don't know how money is made, then all that hard work will only be enough to survive, not to change your life. Now, does that mean hard work is useless? No, brother, hard work is essential, but it needs a partner. Mindset, strategy, and intelligence. I have seen it with my own eyes. Many people work day and night, but their situation hasn't changed for years. Meanwhile, others take a small idea, create a plan, and make millions. You might think, that's luck. No, it's the mind. The mind turns even a small thing into a big opportunity. The greatest weapon in this world is not the sword, not physical strength. It is the mind. The mind shows you paths that others can't see. When the crowd is running in one direction, a smart person stands still and thinks, how can I own this crowd? That's the difference. Some remain laborers forever, and some become owners. If you want your life to change, you first have to change the way you think. You have to change your habits. Ask yourself, am I just sweating or am I using my mind too? Because until you understand how money works, you may earn it, but you will never keep it. The first rule of making money is knowledge. You need to know, where does money come from? Where does it go? How does it grow? If you don't have financial knowledge, you'll be like a machine. Earn, spend, earn again, spend again, and the cycle will repeat. But with the right mindset, you can make that same money work for you. You can invest it, multiply it, and let others work for you. Have you noticed? Big business owners don't do the work themselves. They think, they plan, and thousands work for them. That's the difference. The hard worker spends all day working and falls asleep tired at night. The thinker spends an hour planning, and that thought gives him comfort for a lifetime. When you work in someone else's shop, you get a salary. When you open your own shop, you get profit. Salary is the income of hard work. Profit is the income of the mind. If you want to be rich, you must travel the journey from salary to profit. And that journey begins in the head, not in the hands. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. So how does a rich person make millions in those same hours? Because they use their mind where others use only their body. Opportunities are in front of you every day. But do you recognize them? No, because no one taught you how to see them. There was a time in my life when I was running all day, doing every job possible, but nothing changed. Then my mentor told me, sweat less, think more. From that day, my life changed. I realized money doesn't come from hard work alone. It comes from understanding, perspective, and thinking differently. If you don't have money today, maybe you don't yet have the thinking that creates money. And the good news is, thinking can be learned. Observe, read, learn, understand how rich people think. Have you noticed? Rich people take risks. They are not afraid. They try new things. And when everyone else says no, they move ahead because their faith is not just in hard work, but in their mind. Now you decide, will you walk the same old road everyone else walks, or will you grow your thinking? Ask yourself daily, am I building my own dream or someone else's? Am I just selling my time or am I building something? If your answer is I'm just working to survive, then it's time to change your thinking. Because wealth is not a condition, it's a mindset. When your mind learns the language of money, you start seeing opportunities everywhere. A small idea can become a big business. A small deal can turn into a big profit. Where others see problems, you'll sell solutions. Hard work feeds you. The mind makes you a ruler. If you only want to fill your stomach, hard work is enough. If you want to change your life, you must use your mind. Don't think about how much money you have. Think about how much understanding you have. Because money will come and go, but with understanding, it will always return. So will you keep sweating from morning to night? Or will you take time to think about how to make money work for you? The world is changing. Every day, something new is happening. And in today's world, it's not the hardest workers who win. It's the smartest thinkers. Give your hard work a direction. Don't just dream, build those dreams. Wake up your mind. Because when the mind wakes up, wealth comes walking to you. Remember, hard work teaches you how to live. The mind gives you the life that others only dream about. So stand up, think, and tell yourself, I will not just work hard, I will also work smart. Because brother, money doesn't come from hard work. It comes from the mind. You've heard it before. Don't work for money. Let money work for you. But that happens only when you learn the language of money. When you understand, what is investment? How does cash flow work? How can a single idea become a business? Let's say you have $10. One person will spend it. Another will save it. But the third will invest it in an idea. And that third person becomes rich. This is the difference between the poor, the middle class, and the rich. No matter how much you earn, if you don't put it in the right place, it will vanish. But if you learn how to make money from money, even a small amount will grow big. Now let's talk about another truth many avoid. Risk. Most people say, don't take risks, you might lose everything. But I say, if you don't take risks, you will never get anything great. Until you have the courage to take risks, you'll never see real income. Big business tycoons take millions in risks every year, and they're not afraid. Why? Because they know their mind will find a way. And brother, you need that same trust. In your mind, your decisions, your ability to think. Sometimes you just have to take one step, one chance, and that chance can change your entire life. Now let's talk about hunger for learning. A degree alone won't make you rich. Reading books is good, but the real earning comes when you put that knowledge into action. You can watch YouTube, read books, but until you act, nothing changes. Ask yourself, am I only listening or am I also doing? That's where the difference begins. One more thing, your mindset is your true wealth. If you fill your mind with fear, doubt, and negativity, your life will be stuck. But if you fill it with trust, hope, and understanding, your mind will take you where others can't even imagine. So I ask you, are you ready? Ready to think bigger? Ready to rise above your fears and start a new life? If yes, then get up, write, learn your ideas. Learn how money works. Look around for opportunities. Take action, because the one who thinks creates, and the one who creates becomes rich. Today's question is not just what are you doing? The real question is, with what mindset are you doing it? Are you just sweating or are you thinking too? Are you just passing time or are you changing it? The future belongs to those who walk and think, who are not afraid but willing to learn, who work not just with hands but with their minds. If you want your name to be remembered, if you want your dreams to come true, make a promise to yourself today. I will not just work hard. I will learn the language of money. I will build my own world. And brother, when an ordinary man makes that promise to himself, that's when a new rich man is born. So don't stop. Don't think about your background. Don't fear what you don't have. Because money comes not from hard work, but from the mind. And you have that mind too. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.